What's up, FitFlex family? Welcome back again with another exciting video. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of fitness, a strong core. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to get in shape, having a strong core is essential. And I've got some killer exercises that will help you achieve just that. So, let's get started. Plank. The first exercise on our list is the plank. The plank is a great exercise to work your entire core, including your abs, obliques, and lower back. To perform the plank, start by getting into a push-up position, then lower yourself onto your forearms, with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, keeping your body straight and your core engaged. Repeat this exercise for 3 sets. This exercise may look simple, but it's a killer when it comes to building a strong core. And the best part? You don't need any equipment to perform it. The plank engages your abs, obliques, and lower back, helping you build a rock-solid core. So, let's get down on the ground and get started. Crunches. The second exercise on our list is the classic crunch. Crunches are great for working your rectus abdominis muscles, which are the muscles that give you the six-pack look you've always wanted. And the best part? You can do them anywhere, anytime. So, let's get those abs burning. To perform crunches, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head, then lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the ground while contracting your abs. Repeat this exercise for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Bicycle crunches. The third exercise on our list is the bicycle crunch. This exercise targets not only your rectus abdominis but also your oblique muscles, helping you get those sexy side abs. And let's face it, who doesn't want to look good from every angle? So, let's hop on that imaginary bike and get pedaling. To perform the bicycle crunch, lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the ground and bring your right elbow to your left knee while straightening your right leg. Then, switch sides, bringing your left elbow to your right knee while straightening your left leg. Repeat this exercise for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Leg raises. The fourth exercise on our list is leg raises. Leg raises are great for working your lower abs, which can be tough to target. They help you build strength and definition in your lower abs, giving you a toned, chiseled look. So, let's lift those legs and get those lower abs working. To perform leg raises, lie on your back with your hands by your sides. Lift your legs off the ground, keeping them straight until they are perpendicular to the ground. Slowly lower your legs back down to the starting position. Repeat this exercise for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Side planks. The fifth and final exercise on our list is the side plank. Side planks are an amazing exercise for working your oblique muscles, which help you achieve that coveted V shape. They also improve your balance and stability, making you stronger overall. So, let's get on our sides and get those obliques fired up. To perform the side plank, start by lying on your side with your elbow directly under your shoulder. Lift your hips off the ground, keeping your body in a straight line from your head to your feet. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. Repeat this exercise for 3 sets. Conclusion. And that's it, folks. Those are the top 5 exercises for a strong core. And you'll see amazing results in no time. Remember to perform these exercises correctly and with proper form to avoid any injuries. Also, make sure to incorporate these exercises into your regular workout routine and you'll see amazing results in no time. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep flexing.